अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं हरा मसाले का चिकन। इसको बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए 2 बड़े टमाटे कट इनटू पीसेस, 2.5 टीस्पून्स ऑफ पेपर, 4 प्याज chopped, 3 green chillies, 2 each of sabut garam masala, a handful of coriander leaves and 8 to 10 leaves of pudina। ये अच्छा पानी डाल के अच्छे से बारीक पीस लीजिएगा। Heat a cooking pot, add a ladle of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1.5 teaspoons each of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute or so till the raw smell goes. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and saute well. The masala is now nicely sauteed. Let's add the chicken. I have taken 1 kg of chicken for this amount of masala. Saute the chicken well till the chicken changes color. When the oil and the masala leaves the sides, you know the chicken is ready. Now add the ground green masala and saute well. Saute on medium to high flame for at least 10 minutes. When the masala starts boiling, add 1 potato quartered. Potato is optional. My family likes potatoes more than the meat, so then I have to add. It's up to you. Rinse out the mixie jar and add half to 1 cup of water, depending on how much masala you want. Mix well, cover and cook till the potatoes and the chicken are 100% done. Let's check. This is after 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. The chicken is now ready. Check for spices and salt. Spice and salt, everything is correct. Chicken hara masala is now ready to serve. It goes very well with chapatis, parathas as an accompaniment with rice and dal. Do try it out. Keep covered till you're ready to serve. As always, list of ingredients in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.